I'm Frédérique Dame from GV, and I'm here with co-founder Misbah and Farah Uraizee announcing the seed funding and launch of Nectar Social. I would love to start by having you walk us through what you're building and why it's needed today.
Nectar is the agentic community commerce platform for brands. We empower any brand to be disruptive by doing three things. 1, scaling to their community engagement in a unified brand voice. 2, turning social signals into strategy with real-time AI listening agents. And 3, converting their social interactions into measurable revenue. We started Nectar to help brands address a fundamental shift that's happening in shopping right now. If you look at an audit of how consumers engage and discover brands today, all of that is primarily happening inside of social platforms. Meta, TikTok, Reddit, and the marketing funnel is completely collapsed. They might see an ad, they might get influenced through a creator, they might see a comment from a brand. That ultimately is what drives them to make that ultimate purchase. If you're looking at it from the other side of the business, how are their marketing teams, how are their social teams ultimately scaling to all these different touch points and these signals? They often are trying to stay on top of this manually. That world is kind of the old world now, post Nectar's platform.
Customers want to interact with brands. They want to better understand the products. They want to understand which product to buy. And as a result, we need to find and to build tools that are facilitating this interaction and make it as natural as possible.
Yeah, I worked directly on communities when I was at Meta. When it came to brand workflows, there was a huge fragmentation of tools that people were using. Brands needed a tool for social listening. They needed a different tool for responding. They needed a different tool for insights and owned management. Whereas really all of these are one overall puzzle, and all of them have to work really synergistically in order to have a brand be successful. And so we set out to build Nectar to be that holistic platform that can address all these concerns. We're already working with some amazing customers, brands like Olipop, Jones Road Beauty, SoloWave. They're all leveraging our platform to scale their community engagement, to have real-time listening, to be able to drive sales directly from direct messaging. And really, they're seeing a lot of ROI.
We can really say that this is what customers want. This is actually what brands need. And this is why we invested in Nectar Social.